We have seen the indiscriminate use of antibiotics both in veterinary and human medicine, and because of this indiscriminate use we have seen the development of multiple drug resistant and superbug nowadays. And it is postulated that if this thing keep on going without any proper supervision, in few coming year all these existing antibiotics which we are using as a magic drug will no longer be effective. Last night I was sitting on a medical store and I was reading a newspaper. Suddenly a conversation between farmer and that medical owner drew my attention, and I saw that he was purchasing 4 injection of a hormone, a gynecological or a reproductive hormone. It was progesterone. And he was about to leave the medical. I interrupted him and said, wait a minute, for what purpose you are taking these 4 injections? And interestingly he said that my animal is suffering with repeat bleeding, and because of that I am using this Thandka injection. I said, who wrote this injection? Then I checked that prescription. It was a blank paper, a plain white paper without the name of doctor, date, number. 4 injection of progesterone was wrote, and the owner was advised to inject these hormone on 2 to 3 days. When I took the history from that farmer, it was case of endometritis, and in endometritis there is no use of progesterone. So this is common practice, and as a veterinary authority we have to spread this awareness among the people, and we have to stop this indiscriminate use of hormone, especially reproductive hormone which are being used rapidly off and on the animals. Hormones are such a precious thing. They can only be used to support the biological process which is already in process in the animal body. In that particular animal, there was infection in uterus. What was use of progesterone? And I have seen that this progesterone with a colloquially named Thandka injection is rapidly being used in field condition. It is also used in proestrus, where ovulation has not occurred. What is use of this progesterone in proestrus? But it is being rapidly used. So as a authority in veterinary profession, it is a responsibility to convey the right information, to convey the right message among the farmer. And because we veterinary doctor or veterinary professional are inactive, and because of our inactivity, because of our absence, these quacks and unauthorized people taking our space, and they are prescribing, and this is being practiced in field. We have to be active. We have to take care of such indiscriminate use, at least in the periphery where we are practicing. I am doing it, and I hope the same from you. This is Dr. H. R. Badhu signing out until we meet again.